8 divided by 4 over 5 times 5. 5 into here 1, 5 into 5 1. Then we have 8 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 will give us 2. 2 is the wrong answer to this question because we did not work with the order of operation. According to the operations, division and multiplication have equal priorities, so we must work from our left to our right. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we have to work with 8 divided by 4 over 5 using KCF. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We are going to keep 8, change division to multiplication, then flip 4 over 5 to 5 over 4, then multiply by 5 here. Now we are going to simplify. 4 into here 1, 4 into 8 2. Then we have 2 times 5 times 5. Now we move from our left to our right. 2 times 5 will give us 10. Then we have 10 times 5. 10 times 5 is equals to 50. 50 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.